Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro. Today we're going to be installing a 2-burner cooktop, which is perfect for a smaller camper. The tools you'll need for this installation are a screwdriver, an impact, a wrench, and you also might need wire strippers and wire caps. We used wire caps this installation because that's what we had around. This installation should take about 10 minutes to do. That's with the cutout already prepared for it. Let's get straight into it. Go ahead and set the cooktop in its opening. If the glass and grate have not been removed at this time, now would be a great time to do so. To do this, you just need to lift up on the grate and remove the 2 screws in the back of the burners. Then just lift up on the whole piece of metal. Now go ahead and connect your propane. You can hand tighten it most of the way, but at the very end you need to use a wrench to make sure it's secure. This is where you might need wire strippers or crimpers. However, we did not need them at the time due to our wires already being prepared ahead. We're using wire caps to connect our wires. First connect the ground and then we'll connect the positive. Now locate the 4 screw holes that will hold the cooktop in place. Then you'll need to use 4 screws and an impact or drill to secure the screws in place. At this point, we will now reconnect the glass to the cooktop. To secure the glass to the cooktop, you'll need to put the 2 screws and washers back in place in the back. Use a screwdriver for this part and not an impact so you do not strip the screws. Now you can put the grate back in and test your new cooktop. To test it, you can click the button to the right to turn the LEDs on. And you can also push in your knob to hear the igniter go off and then just give it a little twist for the propane to start coming out and light. As you can see, this is a very simple install and should only take you about 10 minutes. If you want to know more about this product, click the link in the description below. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.